Hello, good morning students. I am here to discuss about the first poem, The Ant and the Cricket. It is taken from Aesop's Fables. Aesop wrote many stories, and all those stories giving morals, and those stories became famous, so that all his fables are called as Aesop's Fables. A fable is a story, and animals are the characters in the story, and which has a moral. This is the poem. It is a fable. It is written in a poetic form. In this poem, there are two main characters. They are ant and cricket. In the poem, the cricket is an insect. You might have seen it. It has 4 legs and 2 wings. And it is described as the lazy young insect. And the other character, the ant, is described as a hard-working insect, and it has a good plan for the future. Here in the poem, the ant is teaching a good lesson to the cricket. Let us learn it. Let me explain line by line. Please take the textbook. See the page number 21. A silly young cricket. Silly here means lazy. Accustomed to sing. Accustomed to means used to, or a habit of singing. Through the warm, sunny months of Gay, Gay means happiness, summer and spring began to come in. When he found that at home his cupboard was empty and winter was come. So there was a cricket. It was very lazy and young. It was full time singing and dancing in the day and night in the summer and spring season. When the winter season came, it found that there was nothing to eat. Its cupboard was empty. Here the poet has used poetic device that is called personification, giving human qualities to the animals here. For example, he found. He means here the cricket. Rather than using it, the poet has used he. Another, his cupboard, its cupboard. His here means crickets. That is the poetic device, personification. Next, not a crumb to be found. Crumb here means piece of food. On the snow-covered ground, not a flower could he see, not a leaf on tree. And the ground was full covered by the snow during the winter season. And there was even no flowers and leaves for eating. Oh, what will become, says the cricket, of me? Oh, now the cricket got wonder. It was shocked. Oh, what will become? What can I do? What can I eat? Says the cricket of me. How can I live in this season, in this winter season? Next, at last, by starvation. Starvation means hunger. And famine means scarcity of food. Made bold means became strong. All dripping with wet and all trembling means shivering with cold. Away he set off to a miserly ant to see if to keep him alive he would grant. Grant means to give. At last by starvation and famine made bold. So the cricket was thinking, it will be suffering from the starvation and famine, the scarcity of food. All dripping with wet, and the winter season it was very strong, and the cricket was completely shivering, and he started to walk to his friend, to the ant's house. That means here away he set off. Set off means to leave, start the journey to a miserly ant. Miserly here means miser. The ant, he was caring for the money, or it was serious. It was having a plan for the future. That is why here miserly ant. To see if to keep him alive he would grant. So the cricket, he thought that if he goes and tells the truth to the ant, sometime the ant will support him, will give the food and shelter. Shelter from rain and a mouthful of grain. He wished only to borrow. He would repay tomorrow. If not, he must die of starvation and sorrow. The cricket was thinking that. The cricket was planning to meet the ant and to borrow the food and shelter for it in the winter season. Otherwise, if he doesn't get the food and shelter, it would die of starvation and sorrow. That is the meaning of these lines. The remaining stanzas we can learn in the next video. Just you see here, the poet has used here rhyming words. They are sing, spring, home, come, found, ground, sea, tree, me, bold, cold, ant, grant, rain, grain, borrow, tomorrow, sorrow. All these are rhyming words used. So the cricket was dancing, singing day and night in the summer and spring season. It did not work, it did not save anything for the future. When the winter season came, the cricket found that there was nothing to eat for it. Even there was no flowers and leaves. And the ground was full of covered by the snow. And the cricket was completely shivering because of the winter. And it decided to meet the miser ant and planned to borrow the food and shelter from the ant. It thought that if he doesn't get food and shelter, he would die because of starvation and sorrow. So this is what you have learned in these lines. The remaining stanzas we can learn in the next video. I hope your student understood this. Thank you very much.